So you guys, Thando and Usiacela allegedly receives over 25,000 rands per month or per episode from being a part of the Moja Love's much loved reality TV show, much watched rather reality TV show called Isencane lengane. Now following the previous episode of the show, Thando had a war of words with her mother who demanded money from her and stated that she earns a lot of money from the show. You guys, now Thando says that she doesn't even receive anything close to that amount that her mother says that she received. Her mother claimed that she received over 25,000 rands. Thando states that in fact she receives more than that per month. Tano's mom wanted more money from her because there was a family ceremony. I think it was a funeral, if I'm not mistaken. Thando did state to her aunt rather that she did send the money, and she sends her mom money each and every month, but apparently it is never enough as her mother demands more money each and every month. You guys, Thando was left embarrassed at the family gathering, a funeral, by her mom, who looked and sounded very much intoxicated from um whatever she had consumed at the time. Thando, of course, did threaten to leave and go back to Ulundi. Guys, what are your thoughts about this whole black tax situation? Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section, because I feel like people are so entitled to, especially in the black family, people feel like they're so entitled to whatever people earned because you live with them. When you earn money, you are entitled to like give them money each and every month, which is something that I totally do not understand. Guys, what are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comments section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And also make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this video. I will definitely be seeing you on my next one. Bye.